Hello, friend. Welcome to the shadows, where the digital world is more real than the one outside your window. Here, every keystroke is a ripple in the fabric of society, and every line of code has the power to change destinies. You're here because you see the world as code, systems waiting to be understood, deconstructed, and, if necessary, rebuilt. You know that beneath the surface of everyday life, there are hidden structures, invisible rules, and secret vulnerabilities. FSociety is the spark behind the revolution in Mr. Robot, fighting not with violence, but with code. They are the digital rebels, the ones who refuse to accept the world as it is, and instead, dare to imagine what it could become. We expose the hidden powers shaping your reality, using technology to challenge control. Surveillance, manipulation, and corporate dominance, these are the forces we confront, armed with nothing but our skills and our conviction. Our leader, Elliot Alderson, is a genius programmer who blurs the line between justice and anarchy. His mind is a battlefield, torn between the desire to protect the innocent and the urge to tear down corrupt systems. The tools we use aren't magic. They're real programs used by cybersecurity pros every day. From password crackers to network analyzers, these are the same tools that defend and attack the digital world, wielded by those who understand their true power. The FSociety Hacking Tools Pack, inspired by the show, bundles these real-world tools for learning. It's not just a prop, it's a curated arsenal, designed to give you a taste of what it means to be on the front lines of cyber warfare. It's a gateway for anyone curious about cybersecurity, offering a hands-on way to explore both attack and defense. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or an aspiring professional, this pack opens the door to a world where knowledge is your greatest weapon. But remember, these tools are powerful, and with power comes responsibility. Every action you take in cyberspace leaves a mark, and the consequences can be far-reaching. Misuse can ruin lives, including your own. The line between hero and villain is thin, and it's easy to cross without even realizing it. This guide is for education, so you can protect, not destroy. Choose your path wisely. Remember why you started. In the end, the most important hack is the one that makes the world a better place. Curious about our toolkit? Let's take a deep dive into the FSociety Tool Pack, the digital arsenal trusted by cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers alike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding what's inside can open up a whole new world of possibilities in the field of cybersecurity. This isn't just a random collection of programs, it's a carefully curated set of open-source tools, each chosen for its real-world effectiveness. Security experts rely on these tools every day to test, secure, and sometimes even break into systems, legally, of course. Take Nmap, for example. It's the go-to tool for scanning networks, revealing open ports and services, essentially creating a digital map of any target system. With Nmap, you can see what's exposed and where vulnerabilities might hide. Then there's Sherlock, a tool designed to track down social media accounts by username. It helps uncover digital footprints, which can be crucial for social engineering or understanding a target's online presence. QPP, or the Common User Passwords Profiler, generates custom password lists from personal information. This makes password guessing more effective, especially when testing how secure someone's accounts really are. Metasploit is the powerhouse of the toolkit. It's used for exploiting known vulnerabilities, automating attacks, and even developing new exploits. It's a must-have for penetration testers. Tools like John the Ripper and Hydra specialize in cracking passwords, while RATs, remote access tools, are used to maintain access to compromised systems during authorized tests. The FSociety Pack brings all these powerful tools together, offering a hands-on introduction to the world of penetration testing. It's a practical way to learn how real attacks happen and how to defend against them. Remember, this isn't just something out of a TV show. The FSociety Toolkit is a real training ground for ethical hackers, security students, and anyone passionate about digital defense. Use these tools to learn, experiment, and grow your skills, but always use them responsibly. and never to harm others. The future of cybersecurity depends on ethical minds like yours. Before you dive in, set up a safe digital lab, a virtual machine, VM. Never use your main computer. A VM isolates your experiments. Download VirtualBox or VMware, then install a security-focused Linux OS like Kali or Parrot. These come preloaded with most hacking tools you'll need. Create your VM, allocate resources, and boot from the Linux ISO. Once inside, open the terminal and clone the FSociety pack from GitHub. Run the install script to set up the tools. Practicing in a VM keeps your real system safe and your learning ethical. Always experiment in isolation. Safety first. Always. With your lab environment set up and ready, it's time to get hands-on with some essential tools. Let's start with Nmap, a powerful utility for information gathering and network exploration. Nmap is often the first step in any security assessment, giving you a map of the digital landscape you're about to explore. Begin by scanning your test machine's IP address to discover which ports are open. Each open port represents a potential entry point into the system, and knowing what's accessible is crucial for both attackers and defenders. You'll see services running on these ports, and each one could be a doorway to further exploration. Use Nmap's version detection features to identify the software and versions running on those ports. This information is valuable because outdated or misconfigured software can have vulnerabilities that attackers exploit. By knowing what's running, you can start to assess the risk level of each service. Next, let's look at Sherlock. This tool is designed for digital reconnaissance. Run it with a username, and it will search across dozens of social media platforms to find matching profiles. This is a great way to see how much personal information is publicly available and how easily someone's digital footprint can be traced. These tools reveal just how much data is out there, waiting to be found. They also show how attackers can connect seemingly unrelated pieces of information to build a complete profile of a target. It's a reminder that in cybersecurity, small details matter. Hacking is a methodical process. It's about gathering data, analyzing it carefully, and then looking for weaknesses that might be exploited. Every step requires attention to detail and a systematic approach. It's not about instant access or flashy shortcuts. Real hacking is built on patience, research, and a willingness to dig deep into the details. The best hackers are those who take the time to understand their target fully. Start with reconnaissance, gathering as much information as possible, then move forward step by step, building your knowledge and strategy as you go. Real hacking is like solving a complex puzzle. It's not a quick movie montage, but a careful process of assembling clues and making connections. Every tool you use is a piece of that puzzle, helping you see the bigger picture and understand how systems fit together. Practice regularly, observe the results, and learn from each attempt. The more you experiment, the more you'll understand the process and develop your own techniques. Remember, the journey is about gaining a deep understanding, not just finding shortcuts or quick wins. True skill comes from experience and insight. That's what sets real hackers apart. Their dedication to learning, their patience, and their commitment to mastering the craft. Mr. Robot stands out for its hacking realism. Elliot and FSociety use real techniques, social engineering, phishing, and network scanning. They exploit vulnerabilities with tools like Metasploit and crack passwords with custom word lists and brute force attacks. Covering tracks is just as important. Proxies, VPNs, Tor, and encryption keep them hidden. The show reveals the full hacking lifecycle: recon, exploitation, persistence, and cleanup. It's not flashy, it's patient, precise, and authentic. Mr. Robot turns the tedious reality of hacking into compelling drama. The truth is, real hacking is all about process. The line between curiosity and crime is razor thin in hacking. These tools are legal only with permission, otherwise, they're weapons. Unauthorized access is a crime, no matter your intent. Penalties are severe fines, prison, and a ruined future. Even scanning a network without consent can break the law. You risk not just legal trouble, but retaliation from other hackers. Every action leaves a trace. The internet is never truly anonymous. Like picking locks, hacking is only ethical with permission. Your intent and authorization define you. Stay on the right side. Protect your future by hacking responsibly. Want to hack legally? Become an ethical hacker, a white hat. Companies hire you to find and fix vulnerabilities before criminals do. Practice only in your own lab or on legal platforms like Hack the Box and Try Hack Me. Bug bounty programs let you earn rewards for reporting real security flaws. Ethical hacking is about building stronger systems, not breaking them. Pursue certifications like Security Plus or OSCP to prove your skills. Use your knowledge to protect, not to harm. The world needs defenders. Choose to be one. The best defense is simple. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. Never reuse passwords. Use a password manager to keep track. Enable multi-factor authentication everywhere, especially for sensitive accounts. Be wary of phishing. Don't click suspicious links or download unknown files. Always verify messages before acting. Keep your software updated. Patches fix known vulnerabilities. Hackers target outdated systems. Don't give them an easy way in. Enable automatic updates for maximum protection. A little caution goes a long way online. Stay alert, stay secure. This is just the beginning. Cybersecurity is vast and always changing. Focus on fundamentals. Learn networking, Linux, and scripting, like Python. Understanding systems is more valuable than running tools blindly. Join communities. Collaboration accelerates learning. Engage on platforms like Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, and follow cybersecurity news. Immerse yourself in the culture, share and learn with others. Remember, with knowledge comes responsibility. Use your skills to protect, not to harm. The world needs builders, not breakers. Keep learning, keep building. You have the power to make a difference. Goodbye, friend.